Thank you. Thakachori, Thadau Kuki Grupi, Yamna Fajaraba, Movement Galoinaba, Fajaraba Jagoi, Maduki background, Fajaraba, traditional song Galoinana, would pick Hibayam Numaje. Thakachori, Group Tubo, Matangasi, Soidnamaki, Numaigani, Madam de Kogi Tamjeri Batoram Singasi, Shum Momentum Si, Kakalakani, uphill. Makadagi, Hojik Matang Nungai Paduna, Hojik Nungai, Bagi Chang Pungba, Matang to Yogjarakadore, Hojik Kudol Tamjagadori Vasi, Fashion Pirate, Fashion Pirate, Manipur left and a Tatana Pangtu E, Mapum Kayada, Tungan Timda, Masigi Sishu, Adugma Tim Mama Lake Tabanati. A koi Miu Basiku Lerakpa, Hojik Lady, Lake Higani, Asumna Lady Basida. I coin a silly visual sing. Amatamanade, Mamanga Gimatam, Hosigi Matam, Tung the Kari or the Kanikandi. Puna Maxibu Shupsen Zaraga. I coin me even a silly visual sing Sida, Mamanga Matam Dagi, Hosik Tagi Amadi, Kona Lak Passing the Kari, where the Kadagi Hypedugi, Chaurakpa, Mawangam Uchabani, soidna maki nungai ni haukraba bu su ningsingani haujik bu su soidna maki koina khangani aduga tungdala kadaba matam du sohen uba ngamgani fashion parade asida Elijah.
Today's fashion parade is brought to you by Fashion Troupe. Through this show, we wish to showcase the legacy of how men and women were adorned in the past. It is an amalgamation of the past, the present, and the future. Their elegance is portrayed in the finest way, fused into a modern outlook without compromising the traditional touch.
Miyam na past hairisi yam meaningful oi, but don't be afraid. Past hairaga ko yam mamangdu surungi du nati yam na phajaba past ni ubiga du ribasi. Mana ngangi English tu ki artha hangdo chabanati mana na bangang bani. Elijah, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can still be beautiful, smart, and fashionable wearing our traditional attire. We present to you yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Ako'y ki nat ki chanabi bung ngak na ako'y tradition mo masak khang na seli ba visual sing na hong na bu semdok labasu madu magsiel lagasu mahaki phajabagi magundi mangde hena dum pagalai masina utli ngarang ngasi amadi hayeng.
Fashion Troupe consists of a group of team members. Today's Fashion Troupe is brought to you by designer Dosaulu. It is choreographed by Miss Papa Gachui. She is the reigning Miss Manipur. The makeup artist is Mr. Pinau Konthausam and the hairstylist Mr. Shusmi Gachui.
Haujiki kitang tapna haige badu aina mukhara launa haijage Elijah warong roi ko khanganoi khanglaw law gole nana khara tap khre hairiba fashion parade ase choreograph tauriba haibadi magi khuchat mawong takpi tambiriba si Miss Fafa Gachui chumbra Elijah Gachui masi Miss Manipur 2016 phangkhibini designer Dosolu ni makeup artist na piano khongna na ba piano dunate mi maming ni piano konthok jamni aduga fajaraba samdu semdoktana phaigatna yungdana semgadori baduna Shusmi Gachui chumi ko Elijah. Am I right?
Chume sir, correction amatang na makeup artist is Pinau Konthausam.
Pinau aina piano haibadu mana chum thorona baina tawbani mana ibasi da bana lan banate Pinau is nupara nupira.
Trans.
Let us see when she comes out on the stage.
Yeah.
Okay, please carry on.
Yeah. Today's designer is Mr. Dosaulu J. Vimai. He belongs to the Pomai Naga community and is a graduate in fashion designing from the Global Open University Nagaland. He received the Best Designer Award 2016 in the annual fashion show of the Global Open University Nagaland. He is also the Best Designer Award 2017 in the emerging category in the Nagaland Fashion Week. Some of his experiences, namely, is the official designer in the Miss Diva Queen Nagaland 2017.
Shall we start, Elijah?
We have one more introduction, sir.
Please.
That is the band members. The fashion parade will not be complete without introducing the band members.
True.
Today's band member is the Friday Band. That like to address themselves as a Ukrul-based band. The lead singer is Mr. Yurenthang Shimre. The piano or the keyboard is brought to you by Mr. Anim Tuikhar. The bassist, Mr. Sanchui Samchok. The lead guitarist, Mr. Alem Mahubwa. The drummer, Mr. Rizad Zumek, and the genre is the alternative rock. This band was formed in the year 2016. They qualified and performed at She Rock 2017. This band has signed a promotional contract with the Ecos Enterprise. They were also associated with the New Voice 2016 competition. The band has also promoted the music show and was the opener for the international band called Traffic Jam.
Eliza loibirabra.
Loizare, sir.
Yam nungaire Eliza na hai kitu lan bam ta yaudre handakti. So now we shall begin the countdown for this fashion period. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not bribe. Love rejoices in the truth. Love's never fail. Come on, everybody, put your hands up in the air. I want to hear some noise. Come on, sing. Ow! Say, ah! Yeah! Hoppy bee, la hole. Hoppy, hoppy, la hole. You sing hoppy bee. Hoppy, hoppy. that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be the man, there ain't no other way. 'Cause girl, you're hotter than a Southern California bay. Don't wanna play the games, you don't have to play the same. Don't you all the shy shit and don't make it wrong. That's my sugar, and yes please, would you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. Hey, you show me good loving, made it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please, would you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. Hey, you show me good loving, made it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please, would you come and put it down on me, down on me? Just shoot for the stars if it feels right, and then for my heart. If you feel like it, take me away and made it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we waited. I put on a show, now I made it. You said I'm a key, my ego is B. I don't give a shit. And it goes like this. Take me by the tongue and I know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all the move like Jack. 'Cause I've got to move like Jack. I've got to move like Jack. Why do you just try to control you? Look into my eyes and I own you with the move like Jack. 'Cause I've got to move like Jack. I've got to move like Jack. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Thank you. A very heartful, I'm out of words for the beautiful array of traditional mixed with modernity. Wasn't that beautiful? Please give a loud cheer for the team from Fashion Troupe. Thank you. Next up, we have the Friday Band, all ready to present some beautiful numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you once again, Friday Band.
Hello. Hello. All the good people of Impal. Okay, we all came here to celebrate. All right. Something went wrong with my voice because I am suffering from something right now. I will not tell you what that something is. But this something will not stop me from celebrating Shanghai Festival. So either my voice goes you know, aduata, I don't care. I will celebrate. Are you ready to celebrate with me? You ready? Everybody, I want you to shake your head like this. Come on. I want you to make some loud noise. I want to hear noises from you guys. Come on, give a shout for me. Yeah, come on. I love you all. Come on. Wow! Have you heard this song? Anyone, have you heard this song? Yeah! Come on. All the tension in the world today, all the little girls filling up the world today. With the good comes the bad comes the good, but I believe I live like I should. I don't even know, you idiot, a loser. How you lies every second I exist, beating on my mind and every second on my feet. And everybody wanna ride, everybody hide from the gun. You can't take a ride through this life if you want, but you can't take the edge of the knife. I know you want your money back, but you deny it cause your brain fried from the side. And there's nothing I can do, cause life is a lesson, you learn it when it's true. Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Does anybody really know the secrets or the combination for this life and where they keep it? It's kinda sad when you don't know the meaning, but everything happens for a reason. I don't even know what I should do, cause I'm an idiot, a loser, microphone abuser. I analyze every everybody wanna ride? Is everybody high from the guard? You can't take a ride through this life if you want, but you can't take the edge of the night. You know you want your money back, but you deny it because your brain far from the sack. And there's nothing I can do, cause life is a lesson you learn it when it's through. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Okay, I was on my medication. I was worried you people will not like me, but I am very happy even though I'm on my medication. You rock, man. I love you guys. I love this crowd. Come on, shout for yourself. Come on. Close my blood below the window. I close my blinds and turn away. Sometimes illusions aren't so simple. Sometimes goodbye's the only way. Oh, and the sun will set free. Your friends all believe for you to stay. Sometimes beginning aren't so simple. Sometimes goodbye is the only way. Oh. Hello. I was thinking I would perform so many songs as possible, but since I'm on my medication, I should take care of my health also. All right, and thank you so much for your love and your support. Okay, everybody, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Friday Band, for setting the stage on fire. Please give a loud cheer for Friday Band. Our next performer is nothing less. He is all prepared to set the stage on fire once more. He is a legendary Tangkhul pop singer who seemed to defy age and remain evergreen. In fact, he's getting better with every album. He has been in the music industry for a very long time and knows most of the nuances of music. His latest number includes Haufi Nangi Damakta. He started his career way back in 1987, Please welcome the one and only Mr. Thangmaiso Singlai.
Hello. I really thank God for this beautiful evening. And I also would like to thank the organizing committee. I love Manipur. Do you love Manipur? Yeah. Now, the winter has come. Everyone need Haupi. You like Haupi? You like it? Haupi shulum malida, Jingyen su hauba malida, Nunga su hauba malida, Masido oiramoy, Leram kini jad. Come on. Haupi su lumba malida, Jingyen su hauba malida, Nunga su hauba malida, Masida oiramoy, Leiram kini jat, Masida oiramoy, Leiram kini jat. Java yada banau sekdana, how now sek. How makalgi endana, may taye. Java yada pamay rendana, how my ren. How banganu dana may tay, nganuha. Loy na tokhoksi, kana the burning, nung the nung sino. Let me know, nung si know, let me know, iram dam di dama. Haupi su lumba malida, Jingyen su hauba malida, Nunga su hauba malida, Masida oiramoy, Leiram kini ja. Masida oiramoy, Leiram kini ja. Sumi bro! Phajaba makhai loina aikhoi gini hai. Ahau makhai loina aikhoi gini hai. Phajaba makhai loina maitai male hai. Ahau makhai loina maitai tapsalle. Loina phajaida, loina hauida, sing su iram dam. Dam suiram dam, sing suiram dam, dam suiram dam, iram dam matani. Haupi su lumba malida, Jingyen su hauba malida, Nunga su hauba malida, Masida oiramoy, Leiram kini ja. Masida oiramoy, Leiram kini ja. Thank you. Okay. Mathang City. This is very yamna haisir di kari haigedra nupi angangi leisa bakhangi haitare ko ai isamak tangkulni adubo aina ai tangkulni haide ai manipurni hai mayam nung sibiram gani nangi tamakta kathokrabane ai gi punsi su ai gi thamoi su ai gi hakchang su nangi tamakta kathokrabane sakhi nung si hai na ning sing ling a si suai di kong to khra ma le nang di tang na ba ni ku ku di nen khi ni nang yi wa khal da ai di tha do ba ngam de ai di hawai se nang gi ni ai gi hak sang su nang gi ni aigi punsi su nangini nangi tamak ta hingli bani mirai binu ko aigi nung siba kathokra bani aigi punsi se nangi tamak ta aigi bawa hai gaya lingdana leiri thamoida nungsibi nangi saktam siklaba ahingaya hokare nangi wakhalda wana leli punsi se aigi thawai se nangini aigi hakchang su nangini aigi punsi su nangini nangi damak ta hingli bani mirai binu go aigi nung siba kathokra bani aigi punsi se nangi damak ta aigi punsi se nangi damak kathokra bani. Do you love me? I love you. I love Manipur. Wasaki nung si hai na ning sing ling a si suai di kau thu khra ma le nang di tang na ba mi ku ku di len khi ni nang gi wa khal da ai di tha do ba ngam de ai gi thawai se nang gi ni ai gi hak sang su nang gi ni ai gi punsi su nang gi ni nangi damak ta hingli bani mirai binu ko aigi nung siba kathokra bani aigi punsi se nangi damak ta thank you all thank you.
Hello. Thang Mai Show. I will not let you go, please. I think you need a mic. Please. Mathangi Ben, James Riamai and the Ben Shem Saringai Tangmai Show Ga Wari Watai Kita Sanas again Tony Madam di Matam Kara Koi Show in Makipangani Tangmai Show Adugumatic performance Pajay Hana Kanji, Akuna Taja Bada, Kuna Sumujarak Pada Matam Kayagi Mamang the Gishum Isay Sakpa, Madi performance Piva Kaya Tingazarak Pada, Yamna Fajana performance. If I'm not mistaken, it is the first time for me to see your performance on this stage.
Yeah, thank you.
How long you have been in this singing profession? Kaya, Maitero no kumbiyo to no don't mali.
Since 1987.
1987 the kisala pa.
87 this year.
Yes, yam no ajay. Kuigi album ga di phongbi khrabra.
Album mai di audio album mayama phong.
Yes. Kaya di phongbi khra. 87 no di am kuire.
Ai chahi mapan potharaga handak ai hojiki haupi habido. Madu ai keno recently. That means 2017 da ai phongja bane.
I think you might be starting singing in your dialect at the very beginning of your career. But now you switch on to singing the Manipuri songs.
Yeah.
Manipuri songs kamay to na sakhi bano.
Ai se ahamada ai gospel sa me.
Gospel. Yes.
Manipuri gospel sa me dudigi tangkul sa e ko.
Modern songs idi karam ganda ki.
Modern songs se ai 1987 da ai KB studio da.
KB studio ko ketel kida. Yana ba isay se karino Manipuri songs ya.
Ai gi ham ba isay se gospel wena tongjarak pane. Taibang da ai na hinglingai kari lairi. Say.
Kaino me te yawine gamak ka yawra ido. Ado yam na.
Ai kaim tamjade.
Kaim tamde ba. Acha. Hoji khawba amta tambidri bra.
Ai kenogi di kaim tamde.
Isay gidi ko. Ado di hojik latest phong ki basi kari isay obiro. Hoji ani ka kudol tambigre dana ko. Madu dagi atopa isay sing keno to obiri bra.
Ai hojik Manipuri isay mayam lay. Mi yami wa yami, mi yami bom yami, yod kokta plastic home ba mitop na. Chum chum henjelak, chum chum yam selak, lay pham lay raktre, kang lay jamiam.
Hang bana wal horani na khanje ina khanje bada adukumatik yamna lay khre ma sei mek sidi kanana ibano jagi sa
ai sei mi gi mayek lawjade
isagi
ni
yam sathi ba mo oire pare adudi oja thangmai so hojik si bani I am inviting you to be the special guest on tomorrow's Shanghai Stars Night.
Thank you.
Yesterday's night at 5 p.m. Will you accept my invitation?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Where? Here.
Here itself.
Okay.
In the Trade Center, in the auditorium of Trade Center. Mayam po na maghayengi pong mga tama matamda Trade Center ki auditorium manung sida Stars Night ki Shanghai Stars Night ki part of the festival ni maduda ay ozasi invite to jare special guest oina mayam po na magyang balak pigadra. Be sure to be at 5 p.m. tomorrow at the auditorium of Trade Center. Make it sure. Oza migi mayek tilog di hay ado. Mini mga gumatang matam pangdo mali. Hek hang na le so nung iten tok jam na mayam so waro biroy. Oza do ay oza da mayek ama yam tien ba mayek am katang hujik ay na khangak pa mahaijarage oza na isay wena sakpi ba yagadra oza ngasi khaki. Hojiki ay na mayek sa haijagada oza sakpi gada ba.
Yeah.
Ware hingbada ware nungaire na hingbana koidi. Ware hingbada ware.
Ware hingbada ware.
Nungaire hingbana koidi.
Nungai na hingba
na koidi.
Na koidi.
Chocolate hamoy se khang mangamdana. Pagta haidi. Isay weno.
Chocolate da khang mangamde. Chocolate da khang mangamde.
With a round of applause, amta ozasi boro bene thagat piyo. Am nung aje ozagi soidna talent se koina yamna fajana manung thinna haijabatai. Koina ngasi thengna sa bijda khangjaba ngamba do ozagi mayek sing magna haiba wahi sing sayune sakla kanda lon khoidaba aduki matik fajana tawbiba maduga mayek ki mage beauty lyrics ti ki beauty sui laibasi am nung aje Same Sabalushin Birabra. Okay. Thank you so much, Oda Tamisho. Loina Nangasiki, music band, Matang present of Jisi, Matangisina, Iroi, Organing a Sigisi, Mapamakai, the attempt of Germany, Adubukitan, Minimani Mangat, Jondarasu, Adubu Maraxi, Koina, Lucian Hagadi, Pulo, Redobina, Hayangi, Toronto, I'm not going to sing again. I am Pungo Makai, Hona Cultural Program, Legani, Aduki Matang the Manga, the Gina Tarumakai Fowboy Stars Night. Laigani adugi mathangda pung tarung makhai dagi mapan phawba thamjari basi cultural program folk song pinky gi aduga rock band ne hena nungai jari badi commercial industries department of commercial industries na sinjari ba akhoi gi thorom asida yamna miyeng tabiba ngasi honorable member of legislative assembly lengchin biduna lei tengabu phawbu lengchin biduna leiba sabagi lei tengoi biba hanana thagachari sar singbo hojik mathangi band ase lobirasi. Thank you so much.
Hello, people. Are you out there? Are you out there? We're gonna have fun. You having fun out there? I want to hear you scream out loud. Say, "Come on, oh yeah! Oh yeah! You guys are beautiful." We have a very special 3 numbers for you. If you know the song, you can sing along. Just in case you don't know, I beg you to have fun. Just have fun. I can hear you people. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. Are you guys singing? I can't hear you. There's like thousands of people. I don't know if you're out there, but I can't hear you. I need you to be louder than me. Hey, it's beautiful. Come on. Hey, yo. Hey, oh.
I want you to hear ya. I want to hear you scream your lungs up. Yeah!
Okay, you guys have to excuse us for this technical problem. This happens. This happens. You have to excuse us. Would you please raise the volume for this? Would you please raise the volume for this? Please raise the volume for this. Okay.
I'm a believer with no casting faith, and I'm a citizen of this world and of heaven. Some things were meant to be together. I believe with faith and freedom that it can reach home. And I believe with faith and freedom we gotta make it home. They try to knock us down, but we will stand and fight. It's time to show them how to can never be divided. When we have strength and we're united, I believe with faith and freedom that it can reach home. And I believe with faith and freedom we gotta make it good. We gotta rise up, we gotta stay strong, 'cause everything's on the line. We gotta stay strong, we gotta set up, to set our way of life. We're gonna rise up, we're gonna stay strong, 'cause everything's on the line. We're gonna rise up, we're gonna stay strong, to set our way of life. I believe with faith and freedom, got a country too. I believe with faith and freedom, we gotta make it so. I believe with faith and freedom, got a country too. And I believe with faith and freedom, we gotta make it so. When temptation comes and I refuse the truth, my own will and thoughts and ways to fight, and to see to have my sleeping conscience betrayed beyond my soul. Like the fate of Abraham, overcome the voice of the earth. Thy will be done. Thy will be done. I am not a stranger to my water of birth. Long had he on, and nothing surpasses his will. My refuting conflict with the foe we face, for nothing can his foundation be more. To stand for the truth, to count and last blessing, like the fate of Abraham, overcome the voice of the earth. Thy will be done. Thy will be done. Thy will be done. Thy will be done. Of the living heart, no darkness shall conquer anymore. Sign of hope, a picture of the living heart, the glorious in never, yes. To stand for that truth, to count and last blessing, like the faith of Abraham, overcome the voice of the end. That will be done. 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 That will be done.
This will be our last number. I hope you guys have fun. You guys know Jekyll and Hyde. Jekyll and Hyde. Jekyll and Hyde. I have a secret that I let nobody see, an evil shadow that's been hanging over me. My alter ego that I try to hold and bang, but despite my good intention, he can always get away. He wants the things that I know I should do. Sometimes I feel like Jekyll and Hyde. Two men are fighting war inside. Why have a secret that I let nobody see? It's like a split personality, and the one I feed is the one who lives. The one I saw will be the one who gives. He will you. God bless.
A loud cheer for the boys from, well, Tamenglong, of course. So please give it up for Mr. James and his band, Mr. Kahaupo and Madan with the guitars, and Mr. Gaichui with the drums. A loud cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. So finally, after an exciting list of programs, we have come to the end of today's program. I wholeheartedly thank our artists, our performers today, and our viewers and audience today for your presence and for your continued love and support. And finally, I thank my co-host, Mr. Tej Kumar. Ozalo shalakpada wafam kai thamini.
Thakachari. Manipur Sarkar na sinjariba Sangai Festival ki manung channa lambu khona khongda pangthokchariba mafam sport asithasu aikoina makhal mathel ki thorom kaya chathajari hayeng amuktang ningsingjarabada aikoina cultural program pung 3 makhai hogjagani manga dagi Stars Night Trade Center ki auditorium manungda adugi mathangda honoring guest of the day adugi mathangda cultural program aduga folk song Pinky amadi rock band mathang leijari mayam soidan maki lakpiu loina na aikoi ki thorom asibu yengbiriba cable network ani maki Impact TV amadi IS TV ke viewers khudimakchu nungtegi choi noma phadok mafam sida lakpidaba numita yumda TV screen da program sing asi mapung phana yengbiu haiba wafam ji thamjaraga Elizabeth ngasi gi damaktadi aikoi gi host oijariba singe maikai dagi thank you and good night.
Good night, guys. Thank you.